Guys, today we will talk about to fix or how to solve the problem of grayed out on PowerPoint. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of grayed out on PowerPoint, you should just go to settings. In this first page, you can click on apps and you will enter to PowerPoint. You can click here. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you can enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account, as you see here. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Microsoft PowerPoint. You can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.